7 days blogging challenge. This is the day 4 of this particular challenge, where I'm going to be breaking down how I get traffic to my blog website even without depending on Google SEO, Google search engine to index my website and all of that. Okay, traffic source for smart bloggers. We've already done the day 1, day 2 and the day 3 of this very challenge. So if you've not been watching, go ahead and watch the video so you can actually get all the full details. Right, and on this day 4, I'm going to simply be showing you traffic sources that you can actually utilize right now that are beyond Google, giving you real organic traffic. Okay, real human being visiting your blog. We're not talking about bots, we're not talking about AI, we are talking about real human being. In this day 4, we're going to be doing 7 simple steps. The first step, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually drive a lot of traffic from Pinterest straight to your blog website. Second step, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually use Facebook, utilize Facebook to get a lot of traffic to your blog website. Third step, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually use WhatsApp new features right now to get a lot of traffic, real organic traffic to your blog website. The fourth step, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually utilize Telegram to get more traffic to your blog website. And the fifth one, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Medium to bank your traffic, get backlinks, and also get a lot of traffic to your blog website. The sixth step, I'm going to be showing you indexing platform where you can actually add your website so you can actually get indexed. On these same services, I'm going to be revealing the news forum where you can actually add your website. And the last but not the least step, which is the last step, which is the seventh step, I'm going to be revealing how you can actually use your website RSS feed to bank your traffic to your website. Okay, so if you're ready, let's get into the video of the day. Pinterest SEO. All right, so this is one of the fastest traffic system right now. So with Pinterest alone, we're able to get this particular metric right here, people that actually clicked on our page. Okay, so you can show right here, we're able to get this. You can see the metrics right here rising up on this particular Pinterest account. Okay, and these are some of the pins we already added today, and you can see the impressions they are getting, and all of them are getting clicks. Okay, we didn't promote with ads, we didn't promote with Pinterest ad. All of these things right here are just organic traffic coming up. All right, for you to use Pinterest for your traffic, you need to first of all create your account and optimize it as a business account. Okay, go to your browser and search for Pinterest. Go ahead and click on the sign up button, and the best part is that Pinterest has a mobile app, which means you don't have to be visiting the browser every time you want to make a pin. All right, I'm also going to simply show you how you can automate this so that you won't be posting pins every single time. Come to this very page right here, click on this create pin. All right, before you create your Pinterest pin, you have to make sure that your account is well set up. I have many Pinterest accounts, but I'm going to simply be using this one as an instance. Okay, you have to simply add your image and also add the title of your blog post that you're making. You add your description here, you add your link right here. Okay, doing it like this is going to simply be stressful. If you're making 10 posts in a day, or if you're making 5 blog posts in a day, you're going to simply do the same thing 5 times in a day, but that is going to simply be stressing you. Okay, but I want to simply show you a system that can actually automate this for you, so that when you publish on your blog website, automatically it's going to simply come to Pinterest. Okay, so after creating your account, go to your profile. On this section, under this edit settings, you're going to claim your website on your Pinterest account, so that Pinterest will start indexing whatever content you post on your website. They will know that you are the owner of that particular website, and whatever content that is coming from that website, they're going to promote it for you. Okay, that's basically how Pinterest works. But how do you do this? All you need to do is simply scroll down a little bit. On this section, you have to add the name of your blog as your Pinterest name. Okay, and you're going to simply add about your blog. All right, and also scroll down here, you're going to simply add your website. You can see right here our own website has been verified under this very section. Okay, and once this is done, it's going to simply be easier for Pinterest to start promoting your content, okay, for free without you paying anything. All right, once you verify your website on Pinterest, your website is good to go, and all you need to do is simply start publishing content, which is the pin. Okay, and I'm going to simply show you how to automate it. Okay, so that's the first thing you need to do for me. So the next platform you can actually use to get a lot of traffic to your website now is Facebook search. Okay, first you need to do is to actually create a Facebook page with your blog website name. Okay, and also you're going to simply add your website link on that same Facebook page. For instance, if you go to my Facebook page right now, you're going to see some links right here. You're going to add this particular link on your Facebook page. Okay, Facebook is going to simply verify it and also index it. Okay, each time you want to make a post, you have to make sure that you drop your link on the comment section, not in that particular post itself. All right, the next thing you have to simply set up for me right now is your WhatsApp funnel. First step is to actually create a WhatsApp channel. So all you need to do is simply use your mobile phone. If your WhatsApp is not updated, go ahead and update it. This is my WhatsApp channel right here. Okay, this particular WhatsApp channel, you can actually create it for yourself. All right, to build up your audience. And for you to create this one for yourself, you just need to click on this button right here, this 3 dots, and you click on this create channel. Okay, we have continue creating channel. When you click that, then you're going to simply add your channel name right here, add your description. Okay, so remember your channel name is your blog website. Okay, that's the blog name. Okay, once you add this, then you hit on this create channel, you're already done. Okay, most of the websites you already know, already have their own WhatsApp channel. If big blogs are having WhatsApp channel, why don't you go ahead and get yourself a WhatsApp channel and also bank your traffic right there? And once you have this WhatsApp channel set up, you can actually go ahead and create WhatsApp group. Okay, every new blog you post on your website, you have to simply share it on your WhatsApp channel. The next platform that can actually give you a lot of traffic is Telegram community. Okay, so in this very session, you have to simply create a Telegram channel for yourself. Come over to this session, this pencil button, click on it. When you click on that pencil button, then you're going to see create new account or create new channel, new contact, new group. Okay, just click on new channel. Okay, click on this create channel. Okay, so once you create these two channels, which is your WhatsApp channel, Telegram channel, the next thing you have to do is simply fall back to your blog website. We're going to simply integrate this platform we've already created to our blog. All right, then click on this add plugin, then you type Telegram right here, install this plugin. This is WP Telegram auto posting. Okay, whenever you make a post on your blog website, automatically it's going to be shared on your Telegram channel. Your users can actually see it. Okay, so that's going to simply give you a huge traffic from your Telegram to your blog. All right, search for WhatsApp, then you're going to see WhatsApp, click to chat. Okay, you need to do simply go ahead and copy your WhatsApp channel link and add it in each part of your blog post. Okay, or you add it as a widget so that people can actually click on the follow button to follow your WhatsApp. Okay, for instance, if you go to this very section, if you go to my website right here, it's the contact us page, and on this contact us page, after giving them my contact list and all of that, then I provided some chat buttons. All right, and these are animations. All right, so this is join our WhatsApp group. Okay, so there's nobody that will see this and will not join. All right, and that's going to simply give you more traffic. Okay, you want me to send you this PNG gift right here, just let me know in the comment section, then I can actually package it and send it out to you guys so you can actually add it on your own blog website. The next thing you have to do right now is simply go ahead and install this very plugin. This is Jetpack, and when you install Jetpack, the next you need to do is simply come back to this very section right here. This is Jetpack here. You turn on this particular button right here, site verification for Google, for Bing. You can see, you come over to this section that says sharing Jetpack social, then turn it on and click on connect account and configure social sharing. All right, then when you click on that, this is going to simply prompt you to connect most of these accounts we've already created. Okay, and the best part is that you can actually start for free. Okay, it's actually for free. You have to simply click on this start for free, and also you have to simply click on this connect account. Okay, so all you need to do right now is simply connect your Facebook account you've already created for your blog, connect your Instagram business account you've already created for your blog, and the best part is that you have a lot of stuff to connect. You can see we have Thread, we have Bluesky, we have LinkedIn, we have all of this stuff right here. These are where traffic lies right now in 2026 2027. Okay, and the best part is this: once you connect all of these accounts, you don't need to be visiting all those accounts every single day to post on them. All right, you don't need to do that. The only thing you have to do is simply focus on your blog. When you focus on your blog, Jetpack will handle the rest for you. For instance, if you make a post right now, in the next few seconds, Jetpack have sent those posts to, okay, and it's going to simply help you to get traffic to all of those platforms, right, to your blog website, and that is where traffic lies now. Okay, and the next thing you have to do, the first platform I recommend you use, which are also for free, is Buffer. This particular section right here allows you to connect almost all social media platforms. Even on YouTube, you can see why you can connect Thread, LinkedIn, Bluesky. You can connect YouTube, TikTok, Mastodon, Pinterest, Google My Business. All right, so having known that, the next traffic source is to actually utilize Medium. All right, so most of you know about Medium, but you don't really know that Medium can actually give you a lot of traffic to your blog. Okay, and the best part is that Medium doesn't only give you traffic, it gives you more backlinks. Okay, and remember, with more backlinks, you can actually get more recommendation on search engine. All right, you can actually get traffic from Bing, from Yandex, and other platforms. All right, so that's that for the Medium traffic source. Okay, so moving on to the best of them all, which are the traffic booster. Most of you knows about Google News, most of you knows about Bing News, most of you knows about Google Discover, Smart News, Top Stories, and all of these platforms gives you insane traffic. Okay, you have to come over to the first step, which is to submit your website on Google News. This section right here, which is the publisher section.google.com. This is where you can actually add your website, and your website will appear on Google News, will appear on Google Discover, and other platforms. Okay, and the second thing on this very step is to actually submit your blog website to Bing News. All right, so remember, we have Google News and we have Bing News. This is basically how it looks like. Okay, so apart from that, you can actually submit your website on Smart News. Okay, so this is Smart News right here, and all you need to do is simply come over to this section right here. This particular website helps you you to promote your article, promote your sitemap, and also bring your website to the right set of people that want to view it. Okay, more CPM to your ad. Okay, and also get more people that will buy your affiliate product and all of that. Okay, so another strategy is to actually utilize RSS feed. Okay, so before I tell you about RSS feed, there's one thing you have to do for me each time you make a post on your blog website. So once you make a blog post, just copy that blog post link. For instance, when you copy this link, remember we added our website on Bing Search Console. Okay, so that same website, just go to that same website, add that particular content, the link of that particular content, and you click on this inspect. Okay, so this is going to simply tell the algorithm to actually index your website, start seeing them. Another thing you have to do is simply come back to this very section, go back to your Google Search Console. Okay, you can see the new website we added right now. You've already started getting some traction on Google. You click on this URL inspection as well. Okay, then you click on this, paste it right here, then search for it. Okay, once you search for it, the next thing you have to do is simply come to this very section. You can see the same thing. You have to simply click on this request indexing, and that's going to simply start requesting for the indexation of this particular website. Okay, the next strategy is to actually utilize the RSS feed. Okay, if you go to any website and search for this, for instance, okay, so let's say I add johnfrancis.com, it's going to simply take me to my website RSS feed. Okay, a list of all the web pages, all the categories, all the blog posts, even the ones you published right now, just few seconds ago. That is where it goes to. Okay, so for instance, if you have this RSS feed which is from your website, all you need to do is simply copy this link, which is your website.com/feed. That is basically how it's going to simply look like. If your own doesn't bring out this, then you know that your RSS feed is not well set up. Okay, so if your own doesn't bring up this, just let me know on the comment section or come to my DM. My team are going to simply fix this for you, and your own will start showing. Okay, so you're going to see right here, if you look closely, you're going to see some content I've published for just right now. I also blog website. Remember, we didn't target only one traffic source, we have multiple traffic systems. All right, so remember, even with 100k traffic, 200k traffic, without your blog being monetized, you are not going to be building business with that particular blog. All right, and I'm going to be showing you on the day 5, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually monetize your blog, the best placement for high CPM system that can actually help you to generate higher CPM even with low traffic. Okay, even if you have 100 traffic per day. And also I'm going to be showing you how you can actually integrate affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, digital product in that same blog even with low traffic. I'm going to be breaking this down step by step by the day 5 of this very challenge. If you found this helpful, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe, and join us on our Telegram channel for more updates. Okay, see you on the day 5 of this very challenge, where we're going to be monetizing our low traffic blog just from day 1. See you in that very video.